Welcome to our Advanced Export Features video. So far, we have covered how to log in, how to upload and hygiene a list, how to break down the data, and how to download your hygiened list. Now it's time to move on to how to use the Advanced Export Features. Let's log into Alfred. If we look under Recent Activity on our dashboard, we can see all the lists of which Alfred has completed its hygiene process. By clicking on the Export List button, we will see the same pop-up as before. Choose the Download List button. Again, we will see a pop-up that should be familiar, but this is where we can now filter our exports. At the bottom of the pop-up, you will see an Expert Mode toggle. Click it on so Expert Mode is engaged. The toggle will show a check mark. The pop-up options will change, and you will see all the options you have to filter your list. You can filter by status, rating, score, threat level, and reason. Depending on how you choose to filter your list, you can end up with an AND statement or an OR statement. First, let's explain the difference between an AND and an OR statement. An AND statement means that the outcome has to satisfy all the conditions at the same time, from one section to the next. An OR statement means that the outcome has to satisfy one condition or the other condition per section. For example, if you stay under one section like score, it is treated like an OR statement. Let's say we choose 7, 8, 9, and 10. You will get a list that includes all emails with a score of 7 through 10. So if the email is 7 or 8 or 9 or 10, it will be exported and on the list. Now here is where it gets tricky. You can choose multiple options using different sections, but keep in mind that it is an AND statement, not an OR statement. For example, in the status section, you choose deliverable. Then under the rating section, you select excellent. And under the reason section, you pick catch-all. The filter will look for emails that fit all of those criteria, meaning the email has to meet all of the criteria. So in this example, the email addresses will have to be deliverable and excellent and catch-all. If you decided to add good from the rating section, all emails will be deliverable and excellent or good and catch-all. Got it yet? So if you choose options under different sections, you have to choose wisely. You could end up with an empty list. But this is a great way to practice with multiple options for focusing your lists with your needs. Once you have selected your filters, click the red Download button and you should see the CSV file at the bottom left or wherever you have your downloads set to show up. You can then save it to your preferred folder on your computer and name it as you wish. Once you are finished, simply X out of that pop-up screen. We are constantly updating our features, so if there is something you are trying to do and don't see it, please let us know. Do you feel like an Alfred Pro now? We hope so. But if you don't, and you have questions, feel free to contact us by using the chat feature in the bottom right of the screen, and one of our support specialists will be there to help you.